This is the RK-14MH repair kit for the model 14 and 18 faucets. On the front of the package, I'll show you the list of the parts the package will come with, as well as a little breakdown for how the parts go and where they go. So we'll go ahead and get everything out of the package in here and get measurements. Right here you've got a rubber packing, the packing nut, washer, and the 2 screws, as well as the metal handle. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part. We'll start with the packing here at the hex portion, get an outer diameter. So it has the outer diameter of right about an inch. And then on this end with the threads, it's got an outer diameter of right below an inch, right about 3/4 of an inch. Look at the handle, and the outer diameter of the face of the handle. That measures right below, or right at about 1 3/4 as well. And then get an outer diameter of the portion here. You can see that's right above 1/2 inch. And we'll get an outer diameter of the packing. That's right below 1 inch as well, almost just a hair over 3/4 of an inch. And the brass washer, right at 1 inch as well. And the longer handle screw, right at 3/4 of an inch. Let's see if we can try to get a measurement of this little one. That one's right at 1/2 inch. So once again, this is the Woodford RK-14MH repair kit.